Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shani. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shan! I love you. I'm sorry I'm not there to celebrate with you for your birthday. I'd definitely flower you. But, you know, there's always another time. But
Do do. Yo, Shan, man, you're getting old as hell, girl. Damn. I remember when you were 2. Damn. Time's flying so fast, man. Anyway, cuz I want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you live to see many, many more. And full enjoy yourself. Don't get drunk now. And don't do anything that I wouldn't do. I love you, boo. Happy birthday. Mwah. Okay.
This is Monique. I am wishing you a very, very happy birthday. I love you and I wish that all your dreams come true. And I wish you all the best for the rest of the New Year's.
happy birthday, Shanique!
We love you, Shanique.
I love you!
Love you, Shan.
Hope you have a blast.
May God continue to bless and keep you, my girl. Love you lots, baby.
Love you.
Sure, love you, Shanique.
Hi, honey. Happy birthday, Shanique. Ooh, what can I say about Shanique? Shanique is always smiling. You're a bundle of joy. Always happy to see your face. And I hope you enjoy your birthday and live to see many more. And one piece of cake, yeah?
Happy birthday, Shanique. You hear me? I see. You see it? Pick up yourself. From the crew, you see it? Don't answer.
No, man, I say, happy birthday, you know, say, chi, top man, them.
Mm-hmm.
I wish you a whole heap more hair.
Happy birthday, Shanique. You know, say, I chat attack. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Pick up yourself and I hope you live to see many more.
Many. Alright.
Happy birthday, Shanique. Hope you have a great day. And I'm going to get you a gift you wanted so long. Anyways, happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Adriana.
Auntie Shanti.
Look at this one. Say happy birthday, Auntie Shanique. Say happy birthday, Auntie Shanique.
No.
Happy birthday, Shanique.
From the firstborn whom you love so much. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
Tila.
Your turn.
Happy birthday, Shanique. I wish you many more.
Happy birthday, Shanique. I wish to see you many more. Happy birthday, Shanique, from your one prince. I love you. Happy birthday, Shanique. I love you so much. Loads of love.
Happy birthday